Hi, my name is Eric with Manning Drone Services, and today I wanted to talk to you about the ever-increasing use of drones in the golf industry.
Not only are the drones capturing beautiful aerial imagery of the golf courses and the surrounding areas, but superintendents have utilized 3D models or digital twins to analyze their course. In a process known as photogrammetry, multiple photos taken of the course are stitched together in post-production with our partners over at DroneDeploy. Data within the 3D model includes elevation and contour reports. This shows elevation variations of your course, allowing for drainage analysis. The following is a sample of our product, including a 3D model of each hole and a tee to green flyover, showing the golfer what they will be playing when they come to your course. This really helps highlight not only the hole and the hazards, but the surrounding area. Manning Drone Services is currently offering a special of 18 tee to green flyovers, including the 3D model of each hole and a 3D model of the entire course. Schedule with us before the 4th of July and receive $500 off.